Welcome to the Active Directory and HP Laptop intro video. Today we will review the key components of the new HP 450 ProBooks CPS teachers will receive beginning in October. There are a couple of differences between your new HP and our previous yogas. The power button is now on the left side, along with a USB, headphone jack, and SD memory card slot. On the right side, you will find your volume controls, a USB 3.1 for your docking station, a standard USB, the HDMI and Ethernet connections, and the plug for the power cord. The keyboard includes some shortcut keys. Across the top, there are shortcut keys to project your monitor, adjust the brightness, control volume, mute your microphone, backlight your keyboard, lock the number pad, or to go into airplane or sleep mode. At the bottom, you can use the keys to launch the Start menu. It's the one with the window on it. On the right is a shortcut key, which displays the same menu as the right-click button. You will log into your new laptop using an Active Directory login and password, which will be provided to you if you are currently using a Novell login. You must log into this computer the first time on a CPS network before you can use it at home, as there is no local computer sign-in option on the Active Directory laptops. You cannot download any software to this laptop. If you would like to add any CPS-approved applications, please see your My Tomorrow Tech or the Tech Coordinator at your school. This computer locks after 10 minutes of idle time, or you can use the Windows key plus the L key to lock the computer yourself. The new laptops have the Windows 10 operating system installed, which combines features from both Windows 7 and 8 and should feel familiar to most of you. Now let's take a look at our laptops. On the bottom left is the Start menu, where you can log out or change user, access your documents, your pictures, or change your computer settings. You can choose the appropriate menu and set your preferences. You will also find all the laptop applications in a list. You can pin these to the Start menu by right-clicking on them and selecting Pin to Start. They will then show up as a tile on the right, and these are the tiles that will show when you are in tablet mode. You can move these tiles around to suit your personal preferences. At the bottom left is a search menu that allows you to search both the computer and the internet. You can look for applications, or you can ask questions, like how to change your computer settings. You can also change what you see on your taskbar by right-clicking on the taskbar and checking or unchecking the shortcuts you'd like to see or not see. For example, you can turn Cortana off or on and hide or show the Task View button. You can also show the on-screen keyboard by right-clicking and selecting the keyboard. It looks like this and works well in touchscreen mode. Your new HP also has a task view, which you can access through the Task View button or by swiping from left to right on your touchscreen. In Task View, you will see tiles for everything currently open and anything you've worked on in the past 30 days. You can access these by scrolling up or down. You can also create a new desktop with different programs open, different tile settings, or more. For example, you can see when I switch desktops, the new desktop is not showing the Word application. Finally, you can use your HP as a tablet by folding the screen back. You'll get a pop-up notification asking whether you want to switch to tablet mode. You can disable this pop-up by using the drop-down menu and changing the action for moving into tablet mode. Once in tablet mode, you no longer have a desktop feature. Instead, you'll see tiles for all the applications that you pin to your Start menu. You can move these tiles around the same way you would on a smartphone by dragging and dropping. You can also change to an application list view by using the menu keys on the left. You have the same keys available here as you did under your Start menu: the Log Off or Change User key, a link to your Documents folder, a link to your Pictures folder, or you can access the computer settings or turn the power off. Thank you for your time today. Our laptop rollout begins in October of 2019, and our entire Learning Technologies team will be there to help you as you adjust to your new laptop.